Good morning, everyone. Today we learned the seventh chapter of our SS. We completed our sixth chapter, the coastal plains and the islands. The seventh is this is the second last lesson, second last chapter. Okay, natural resources of India. The seventh lesson is natural resources of India. See. Here we study about the renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay, renewable means और हम लोग यूज किया होने से भी और हम लोग को यूज कर सकता है, never end up. Okay, but non-renewable means once we use that is ended. Okay, then it renewable, it takes a long time, means millions of years. So we study about these natural resources of India. See. Look around you. Where do you get all these things from? Our earth provides us with everything that we need to live. Air, water and sunlight are some of the things that we get from the earth. है ना? They are called natural resources. Natural resources are the resources that we get from nature and that helps in our day-to-day lives. See, where do we, our earth provides us with everything in the nature, है ना, to need to live. हम लोग का अर्थ सारा they provide it, the need to live. Air, underline this one, air, water and sunlight are some of the things that we get from the earth. What are the things we get from the earth? Air, water and sunlight. Okay, these things are we get from the earth. They are called natural resources. We get from the earth these things called natural resources. So you underline this line, everyone. And natural resources are the resources that we get from the nature and that helps in our day-to-day life. Okay, so what is the natural resources? The natural resources are the resources that we get from the nature. The natural resources that we get from the nature and help us in our day-to-day lives. हम लोग को day-to-day lives these things help us. Okay, so the things we get from the nature, from the earth, that is called a natural resources. These things are help to us for day-to-day lives. Okay, so air, water and sunlight are the natural resources. See, then there are two types of natural resources. Natural resources are mainly of two types. What are they? Renewable or inexhaustible resources. What are they? Renewable and inexhaustible. Renewable, okay, renew कर सकता है and inexhaustible खत्म नहीं होता है, inexhaustible. And not renewable or exhaustible resources. Renew नहीं होता है, वो exhaust खत्म होता है. So there are two types of natural resources. The first one is renewable and the second one is non-renewable. Okay, the first one is renewable resources and the second one is non-renewable resources. Okay, so we learned the first one, renewable resources. What? The first one is renewable resources. See, renewable or inexhaustible resources are the resources that never get used up as they are abundantly available in nature. These renewable resources are never end up. खत्म नहीं होता है. They are abundantly in the nature. Nature में ज़्यादा है means abundantly bulk quantity. वो never end up. For example air. Air खत्म होएगा? नहीं. Sunlight खत्म होएगा? No, never. Water खत्म होएगा? Never. Soil खत्म होएगा? नहीं. Okay, these are they are abundantly in the nature. Clear? See, sunlight, air, water and soil are some natural resources that will never get used up. Okay, ये हम लोग यूज किया होने से भी ये never end up. Okay, so sunlight, air, water and soil are the natural resources. They never enter for use. Okay, this makes them inexhaustible. ये inexhaustible means खत्म नहीं होता, exhaust नहीं होएगा. Let us learn about the use of some renewable resources. अभी हम लोग का renewable resources का use का बारे में we learned that one. The first one is air. ओके, मैं ब्रीथ किया इसलिए आपका ब्रीथ नहीं होगा, ओ नहीं, इट इज अबंडेंट. ओके, इतना क्वांटिटी है. मैं थोड़ा ब्रीथ किया, नहीं होने से हम लोग का क्लासरूम का ऑल स्टूडेंट्स ब्रीथ किया, नहीं होने से मेरा सोसाइटी वाला ब्रीथ किया, इसलिए नेक्स्ट सोसाइटी में ब्रीथ करना नहीं होता है, नेवर. ओके, इट इज अ रिन्यूएबल. सी दिस वन, एयर इज एसेंशियल फॉर ऑल ह्यूमंस, animals and plants to survive, है ना. So air is essential for all humans, animals and plants. Humans and animals को breathe करना, they want a oxygen, but the plants release the oxygen, है ना. Plants release the oxygen, but humans and animals they breathe the oxygen. See, while plants use air to make their food, humans need air to breathe and live. देखो, while plants use air to make their food, air रखे, the plants make a food, but humans and animals, what they do it, they breathe and live. हम लोग उसको श्वास का ब्रीथिंग करता है, हम लोग जिंदा रखने के लिए वो ब्रीथिंग चाहिए था. See, the blanket of air on the earth's surface also help maintain the right temperature so that it is suitable for life. हम लोग के अर्थ का ऊपर एक सरफेस है, एक ब्लैंकेट है, सॉरी सरफेस नहीं, एक ब्लैंकेट है. वो ब्लैंकेट क्या करता है, व्हाट इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ दैट ब्लैंकेट, they maintain the temperature. Okay, this blanket of the earth is maintain the temperature. टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करता है, दैट इज सुटेबल फॉर आवर लाइफ, हम लोग को लाइफ के लिए दैट इज सुटेबल. विदाउट दिस ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर, ये ब्लैंकेट ओसोन पॉली, हम लोग हमेशा बोले ओसोन लेयर दैट इज द ब्लैंकेट. ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर, लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ वुड नॉट हैव बीन पॉसिबल. ये ओसोन लेयर नहीं होने से द लाइफ इज नॉट पॉसिबल ऑन द अर्थ. ओके, सी द नेक्स्ट वन, वाटर. The next natural resources is water. See the water. Water makes up 3/4 of the earth's surface. We know that, we study this one. We already know that 1/4 of the earth is land and 3/4 of the land is water. Sorry, 3/4 of the earth is water. Okay, just like air, water is essential for humans, animals and plants to survive. Okay, this is water is also for, it is very essential for humans, हम लोग को भी, animals को भी and plants को भी. It is very essential like a air. हम लोग हमेशा बोले air, water and sunlight. Okay, next.